Tired of mobile design ideas staying stuck as messy sketches? Let's turn those scribbles into interactive prototypes in minutes, all on your phone, using Uizard AI. First, download the Uizard AI app from your App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app. You'll need to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Uizard offers various sign-up options like Google or email. Now, let's explore our options. Scan Wireframe. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it. Point your phone's camera at your hand-drawn wireframe. Make sure the lighting is good and the wireframe is clear. Uizard will automatically detect the elements and digitize your design. Once scanned, you can edit the digitized elements. Drag, resize, and adjust the components to refine your design. Add text, change colors, and customize everything to match your vision. Want to add interactivity? Tap on any element and choose from the available actions to add button links or other interactive features. Now your prototype becomes interactive. Finally, preview your design by tapping the preview icon. You can now interact with your prototype as if it were a real app. Test the flow and see your ideas come to life right on your phone.